Microphone check. Check 1, 2. Let's go. Liquidity. You gotta go get the liquidity up here. Did you know about the stock market? It's gonna get the liquidity. Alrighty then. We'll just swing this pivot here. And we're looking to take a low risk pre-market entry there. Gonna go ahead and start streaming software. Boom. Get link. Share the link. Stream links. Post. Good. Good. We're good. Everything's great. I mean, we take this liquidity right before open. That's a little bit of a boner killer. Would be a Judas short. Looks like we have a high 2. Sure do, don't we? Surely do. This was the play right here. So we're taking that right at the open. Right before the open. Don't want to FOMO into anything here. Liquidity taking, because stock market take liquidity. All right, so 30-minute, 5-minute, boom, 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 boom. Inside down on the 5. New day opening gap. 20 SMA. About to tap. Ooh, nice liquidity here, actually. Now that I'm seeing this, not 100% sure I want to trust this 50% here. Yeah, it's a little, we're close to the open, so want them to play with this high a day. But this is actually pretty nice right here. This is nice right there for liquidity underneath all of this. You know, if it's a bullish day like this, though, we might just be sayonara. Have to see. Nice reversal candle there. Nice reversal candle there. Gonna take a shot here. Why can't I drag a stop loss? Oh, you just dragged that like that? It's okay. I'll re-enter if I have to, I suppose. Okay. That's how you protect capital, ladies and gentlemen. Nice reversal bar here. Worth a shot. So we're pushing up just a bit still here. Coming into a nice area for a reversal still. Standard deviation of the VWAP. See, inside down. There we go. Momentum here is picking up. Let's get a little retracement here. Don't want to force this. Want an actual trigger. Okay, this is interesting structure here to enter short on. 50% of this swing is here. Pushing back already up. What do we have? Channels looking like this. Okay, nice reversal off the 50. A little more frustration, I think. Inside up. Getting the long signal here. Not trusting it all the way, though, honestly. Not going to force that. It didn't sweep this. Not that it has to. Let's see how it closes. Yep. Okay. Now then, what do we get up here? Wick is the most aggressive entry right there. Whoo! Not going to force it. Little bit too indecisive still for my taste. Let's see, this is the daily range. Boom. Don't want to be dead wrong. Trying to go short on a bullish day. Whoa, bro. This 15-minute chart looks lit. 15 minutes. Burn. Tap this. This is interesting here. This is pretty nice here. Stock market take liquidity. Stock market like take liquidity. Okay, here we go. That is a decently bearish reversal here. Where's the volume at, my guy? I got no volume. Volume, dude. All right, we got some volume. This is where you would see a long right here. Nice reaction there. Not sure if I want to take that kind of risk just yet. Nice sweep. Really hard to say. I'm inclined to go short. I'm inclined to go short here. Set stop loss. Gotta set it somewhere where I have room to survive. Maybe here. Okay, looks like I was wrong. I said it's a great place to go long, but I was inclined to go short. Let's just see. All right, don't want to mess with that too much. Just have to see. Oh, it's probably good that I take my first L in this account just to get the nerves out, get it out. It's no big deal, bro. Like one trade, stop it. Stop worrying about it. Yeah, this has to break through here, huh? No, I think maybe London did the move. The judo to the low downside was London. Although you got to think if they want to rip it, like take it down here right quick. I'll re-enter though. I honestly will re-enter short if I get taken out here. I just don't want to. I don't want to ride to get stuck in the train all the way up there. That's fine. Now that's a short signal. Relative equal lows. I actually like this as my target. Stop doing that. Buy limit 1 here. Sorry, new platform. New day opening gap. Oh man, that's dirty. Okay, nothing you can do. You just gotta go with it, baby. Accept the risk. Almost played out beautifully. Still might. Very low probability now that we're back up this high. However, is NQ we're talking about. Nope, no luck there. This big wick here. Let's see. Still low of day range. No inefficiencies on the 1 minute yet. Stop hunt here. Okay. Getting liquidity. Let's watch this really closely here. Inside down on the 5 second. Tempting. Do I want to be catching a fallen knife though? Gonna let the early shorts get punished. Let the early shorts get punished here, but I do like a short from here. Okay. Let's see if this doesn't explode through here. Here you go, liquidity. You gotta take liquidity. Okay, early shorts punished. Let's get a signal here. All right. Do I want to flip bullish? The market sure is acting tough. That is a clean push up there. Here we go. Signal there. I don't want to take this short. And I'm not going to chase. So I'm going to just relax. Just hanging out. Let's see. Keep track of this. Boom. No, it wasn't that full. thought about using this order block as a launching pad, but I don't want to chase. Really trying to chill. Okay, very interesting move here. When I said that this was a good long, I should have kind of trusted my instincts just a bit. But we'll see, dude. This could be a Judas. It's almost a little too clean, like it's lulling them to sleep. Like, it's okay to buy, just keep buying, da 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 da. And then they're going to give you the rug pull. So inside down on the 15-second here. That's a short trigger. So close to this liquidity, though. I almost think this should hold a bit. Want to get a signal, though. Wasn't the greatest signal. Not going to choke it off. Want to see this get up here. Get. Going for consequent encroachment of the daily wick here. Let's see if we can get a genuine bullish movement, push through this level. Do I want to go short if this fails is the question. Take a small win here and then re-enter if I can. Half of this wick. I mean, 950. What's okay. Little small win. I thought this trend line could possibly hold. Channel. Consequent encroachment of the wick was my original target. Dang, bro, look at that beauty. The trust what I'm seeing. Okay, that's a divergence. That's a loss of momentum here. That is a loss of momentum there. Let's see, we have a psych level here. Boom. Okay. 50% is there. Break and retest, possibly. Gangster looking 1 minute chart. Look at this 1 minute chart, bro. Bro. Just buy every down close candle. Uh, 15-minute chart. Let's see, you got it. And fair value gappies. Right at the psych level, you fill that fair value gap. Consequent encroachment of the wick. Percent is there. 1 minute here. Let's get that initial imbalance on the chart. Nothing until here. Back down to the 15-second. This is a reversal bar. In case you don't believe me. Purple, there it is. I will buy a turtle soup of this in this fair value gap. Shorting 50% of this is a scalp opportunity. Scalping opportunities. Turtle soup or a ledge. It's a long. That's a clean long. This wick, this signal bar, just given how strong this trend's been, that's we'll have to see, won't we? Got a little imbalance here. Could just want to tap this right quick. Close above that is pretty bullish. Possible turtle soup here. Inside down forming, and you got a couple of reversals here. This is a ballsy short. Still, you gotta like the pullback to 50% of the daily range. Small risk. Okay. All these candles failing to push here. I just thought this could maybe break, but it's all good. Worth a shot. Like I said, small risk. Here we go. Ooh, so tempting to sell that. Oh my God. That's a clean short signal. I'm going to take it. I'm going to use this psych level, this swing as a high. You got some targets down here. Not a great day to be a seller. Can't touch it though. I literally can't touch it. Here we go again. Trend is resuming. Let's see if this psych level will hold. In addition, we have the consequent encroachment of this wick. Wick there, not going to add to my position. Tempting to add a contract here. Not going to revenge trade or add. Just waiting for the ball to bounce in my favor. You got to take risks to get lucky, as they say. Outside down close is a type of reversal. Not my favorite. More indecisive here. Okay, tap inconsequent encroachment of that wick perfectly. Will it hold? Back below 19,000 is very favorable for me, please. Thank you so much. Let's see if I got the stop placement right. I mean, if it breaks above that, I don't want to be in it, so I'm cool with that as an invalidation point. And we'll see. Looks like a nice bear flag. Trendline liquidity has formed, ladies and gentlemen, here. So fail here. Nothing to do but wait. Definitely want to mark the hour. Nine o'clock is there. Okay, this is crazy. Nice candle. Will it happen? It looks like it wants to build up something here and just wick them. I'm gonna give a little bit of room. Just I don't want to get ticked. Gotta fail at some point, huh? Big down closed bar coming at some point. Right? I mean, this is very natural. You want to see something here. Okay, volume coming in, down closed bar. Looks like it's getting bought back up. Okay, I think I'm just wrong here, but we'll see. I'm not going to touch it or close the trade. Could be wrong, could be right. That's a bullish, very bullish here. Don't like that. Still in it though, you know, it's like a kind of like a rodeo. How long can you hold on? You know what I'm saying? Well, there might be some kind of news. Let's see. 8:30, 7:30. New week opening got tagged. Super bullish. Yo, yo, yo. trying to discern where we're off to here. Jump back on this thing for a minute. Almost, I mean, it put up a fight here. Very bullish. A lot of people were selling here. Outside day in the works. $1665. Well, this is yesterday's high. Dude, yesterday's high and last week's high and the week before's high. Right? I mean, am I right? 19,388. Is it that strong to go another 300 something points? Yo. Hold your nose and buy here. Buying high of day? That sounds crazy. Only one way to do stuff, and that's the right way. Right way to do this is to do nothing for the moment. So we got liquidity here. Boom. Inside down close there. Tempting to short that, right? Like you think new hour candle is going to go up, down, consolidate for a hot second, manipulate, and then distribute. Short signal on the one almost. These are all failing though, right? You got a straight up boner candle on the 30-minute. I mean the 1 hour. Terrible risk to reward. If you buy this, where do you put your stop? Took a small win after taking a big loss. Why did I do that? Because I wanted to like feel the little baby win. Let's see here. This inside down short signal is still holding. %50 of this swing here, break this liquidity. Probably pull back here. Sweep this. Fake like you coming back up. Tap this. Take them out. And then adios. Let's see what the 1 minute looks like. You're going to have Yeah, you got a gap there, gap here, and a gap all the way down here. There we go. So this signal held. All right, you're taking out, blue bar is taking out a white bar. That's a fake. This is a fake out. Is it? Or is it? Ooh, it's hard to be a seller right now, boy, I'm telling you. Can you get paid for doing it? Maybe. Only one way to find out. Nice bear flag. This is where the market wants to come. Give yourself a little room. Come on. Okay, dude. You just can't help it, can you? You're just a natural born seller. Well, we're in the money here. How much more momentum does this bad boy have in it? High a day is where I think we're going. I really should set and forget this trade. We'll just have to see. Let's see, you got another psych level here. $19,100. Another psych level here. 19,200. All right, I'm not taking any losses. I'll get back in this thing while I'm here for a second. While I'm watching it. Well, there's your trend line, buddy. You gonna stick to it or not? Get. Boom. Let's see the biggest spike you ever seen. Okay. I am out of the market after this trade. I'm going to let it ride. I'm not going to do nothing. We're going to see. No risk. I am actually going to call it now. And we'll see how it goes. My guys, have a great day. Got stuff to go do.